trinomial. Then after we learn about the multiplication of binomial with trinomial. Okay. So today we will solve example related to that. So here example 10 that is given in your textbook. Simplify a plus b into bracket 2a minus 3b plus c. Now here it means this two are in multiplication. Okay. Here is a multiplication. Means these two expression are in multiplication. Minus 2a minus 3b multiply c. Here c is a multiplication with 2a minus 3b. So first of all, we will simplify both expressions separately and then perform the subtraction of them. બંને expression ને separately solve કરીશું અને પછી એનો subtraction. So let's start with a plus b into bracket 2a minus 3b plus c. So here we have a plus b 2a minus 3b plus c. Here a is multiplied with 2a minus 3b plus c and plus b is multiplied with 2a minus 3b plus c. Now a is multiplied with 2a and a is multiplied with minus 3b. So these two are in multiplication. A is multiplied with c. Now b is multiplied with 2a and b is multiplied with minus 3b and b is multiplied with c. Now simplify the multiplication. A is multiplied with 2a become 2a square. A is multiplied with minus 3b will become minus 3ab. A is multiplied with c become ac. 2a is multiplied with b become 2ab. B is multiplied with minus 3b become minus 3b square and this is bc. Now any like terms are there? All are unlike terms. You can see a square, ab, ac. So yes, here ab and plus 2b. Minus 3 plus 2 become 1ab. So it is 2a square minus ab plus ac plus bc minus 3bc. Okay, so this is the simplified expression. Now we will solve this one. 2a minus 3b multiply c. So 2ac, c is multiplied with 2a and c is multiplied with 3b, that is minus 3bc. Now perform the subtraction of these two. So here we can write 2a square minus ab plus ac plus bc minus 3b square minus 2ac minus 3bc. Here subtraction is there, so we need to write a bracket because I told you that whenever subtraction of expression is there, all sign into the second expression will be changed. So here 2a square minus ab plus ac plus bc minus 3b square minus 2ac plus 3bc. This is become minus and minus 3 become plus because there is negative sign outside the bracket. Now, is there any like terms? Yes. Here AC minus 2AC become minus AC. And here BC and 3BC are positive. So it will become 4BC. So it will be 2A square minus AB plus AC minus 2AC become minus AC plus 4BC minus 3B square. So this will be our answer. Clear? Now next one. Simplify a plus b into bracket 2a minus 3b square minus 4a into bracket a square minus 2a plus 3b. So here these two are in multiplication and these two are in multiplication. So we will simplify both. So let's simplify first this. A plus b 2a minus 3b square. So here a is multiplied with 2a minus 3b square plus b is multiplied with 2a minus 3b square. Now here a is multiplied with 2a and a is multiplied with minus 3b square. Here b is multiplied with 2a and b is multiplied with minus 3b square. Now we have 2a square plus Here minus 3 and minus plus 1 become minus 3b square a, or you can write ab square. This is 2ab and minus 3b raised to 3. Okay. Now this part 4a square minus 2a plus 3b. A is multiplied, 4a is multiplied with a square, 4a is multiplied with 2a and 4a is multiplied with 3b. Now simplify, 4a is multiplied with a square become 4a cube, 4a is multiplied with 2a become minus 8a square, 4 2s are 8, a into a square, 12. Now here subtraction of that, it means subtract this expression and this expression. So let's start. 2a square minus 3b square a plus 2ab minus 3b square. Now minus is there, means all sign of this expression will be changed. So 4a cube plus 8a square minus 12. Now any like terms? Yes. 2ab and minus 12. 8a square and 2a square. 8 and 2 become 10a square minus 3b square a. 2ab minus 12ab become minus 10ab minus 3b square minus 4ab. So this will be our answer. Now let's take one more example about the simplification. So here this expression and this expression are given. So now we solve this expression at the same time. So let's start. 4abc is multiplied with a plus 4abc multiplied with b and plus 4abc multiplied with c. Now subtraction, make a bracket because subtraction sign is there. A is multiplied with a square, a is multiplied with minus 2b plus b is multiplied with a square and b is multiplied with minus 2b. Clear? Now 4a is multiplied with a become 4a square bc. Here 4ab square c and plus 4abc square. Now for this expression minus a square a cube, a into minus 2b become minus 2ab. This is a square b and minus 2b square. Now you can see all are unlike term, but open the bracket first. ab square c plus 4ac square. Now open the bracket. So all signs in the second bracket will be changed. Now is there any like terms? No, all are unlike terms. So this will be our last step. Now next one. 1 minus a minus b into bracket 2 minus a minus b minus 3abc. Here these two are in a multiplication and this 3ab is in a subtraction. So let's solve. 1 is multiplied with 2 minus a minus b minus a. You can see this is a trinomial and trinomial. So each term in a first expression is multiplied with whole second expression. So minus a is multiplied with 2 minus a minus b and minus b is multiplied with 2 minus a minus b minus 3ab as it is. Now this is monomial with trinomial. So 1 is multiplied with term, it is same. Minus a is multiplied with 2, minus a is multiplied with minus a, minus a is multiplied with minus b. For this one, minus b is multiplied with 2, minus b is multiplied with minus a and minus b is multiplied with minus b. Minus 3ab as it is. Be very careful in a multiplication. So it is 2 minus a minus b. Why? Because any number multiplied with 1, we will get the same expression. Now minus a is multiplied with 2 become 2a. Minus a multiplied minus a become plus a square. Minus a multiplied with minus b become plus ab. Minus b multiplied with 2 become minus 2b. Here minus b multiplied minus a become plus ab. B is minus b multiplied minus b become plus b square minus 3ab. Now find out the like terms. AB and AB. Also minus a. Is there any term with a? Yes. Minus a. So 2 minus a minus 2a become minus 3a. Minus b minus 2b become minus 3b plus a square. AB plus AB, 2AB minus 3 become minus AB plus B square. Now, this will be our answer because all are unlike. Now, we will start exercise 9.4, question number 1, multiply the binomial. So, here first is 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. 2x plus 5 multiplied with 4x minus 3. So 2x is multiplied with 4x. 2x is multiplied with minus 3. 5 is multiplied with 4x and 5 is multiplied with minus 3. Now 2x, 2 4s are 8, x multiply x square. 2 multiply minus 3 become minus 6x. 5 multiply 4, 20x minus 15. 5 multiply minus 3 become minus 15. Now 6x plus 20x, that are sign number with a different sign, so subtraction, plus 14x minus 15. Now next one, y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. So here y is multiplied with 3y minus 4 and minus 8 is multiplied with 3y minus. Now y is multiplied with 3y and y is multiplied with minus 8 is multiplied with 3y and minus 8 is multiplied with minus 4. 3 into y become 3 into 3y become 3y square. Y into minus 4 become minus 4y. This is minus 24y plus 30. Now these two are like terms, so we will write 3y square. 4 minus 24 become minus 28y plus 30. Now next one, 2.5L minus 0.5M and 2.5L plus 0.5M. So here we will write 2.5L minus 0.5M multiply 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now 2.5L is multiplied with code bracket. Now you know how to perform the multiplication of decimal. Now simplify 2.5L multiplied with 2.5L. 2.5L multiplied with 0.5M minus 0.5M multiplied with 2.5L and minus 0.5M multiplied with 0.5M. Okay, now you can see this is multiplication with the positive sign and this multiplication with the negative sign. So whatever answer is get 0.5 multiplied 2.5, 0.5 multiplied 2.5 LM. But this is the negative sign and positive sign. It will be cancelled out. Okay. So now 2.5 multiplied 2.5 becomes 6.25 L square minus 0.5 multiplied 0.5 becomes 0.25 M square. You can also perform the multiplication, then it is also correct. Multiply 25 with 5. It is 1.25. 1.25 ln, and this is also 1.25 ln, but this is positive, this is negative, so it will be cancelled. Fourth, a plus 3b into x plus 5. So here a is multiplied with x plus 5 and 3b is multiplied with x plus 5. Now we can directly multiply, then it is also correct. A is multiplied with x, it is ax, and a is multiplied with 5, that is 5. 3b is multiplied with x, become 3bx, and 3b is multiplied with 5, become 15b. 5 3s are 15b. Now all are like terms, so this is our last step. Now same for next one. 2pq is multiplied with 3pq minus 2q square plus 3q square multiplied with 3pq minus 2q square. Okay. Now here 2pq multiplied with 3pq plus 2pq multiplied with minus 2q square plus 3q square multiplied with 3pq and 3q square multiplied with minus 2q square. Now here it will be 2 3s are 6, p square q square, 2 multiply minus 2 become minus 4, p, q and q square become q cube. 3 3s are 9, p q cube, and this one become minus 6 q raised to 4. Okay. Now these two are like term, p square q square, minus 4 plus 9 5, p q raised to 3 minus 6 q raised to 4. So this will be our answer. Now sixth part, 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 a square minus 2 by 3b square. Here we will multiply first this term. 3b square, 4 multiply inside the bracket, so 4a square minus 4 2s are 8 by 3b square. Now multiply this expression with this one. 3 by 4a square, 4a square minus 8 by 3b square plus 3b square multiply with 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. So here 3 by 4a square multiply 4a square minus 3 by 4a square multiply 8 by 3b square plus 3b square multiply with 4a square plus 3b square multiply with minus 8 by 3b square. Here it is also minus 8 by 3. Now 4 will be cancelled out in first multiplication, so it will be 3a raised to 4. You can cancel out 4 2s and 3 cancel, so it is minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square. Now here 3 will be cancelled out, so it is minus a b raised to 4. Now this will be our answer. You can also simplify this. So it is 3a raised to 4 minus 2 plus 12, 10a square b square minus a b raised to 4. Here some example will be in your homework. Please try to solve this example, but be very careful whenever there is a negative sign.